So children, today we are going to learn block number 26, lesson number 2, types of expression. Okay children, so basically there are three types of expression. Okay, there is three types of expression. First is your monomial. Okay, monomial. Okay, monomial expression. Then binomial expression. Then third is your trinomial expression. Okay, understanding children? So in case of monomial expression, okay, what you will find is you will find only one term. Okay, there will be only one term. Okay, in case of binomial expression, you will find two terms, children. Okay, you will find two terms. And in case of trinomial, you would find three terms. Okay, you would find always three terms like this. Okay, in the middle it can be plus, minus, whatever. Okay, understanding children? Got it? So this is how monomial would be, this is how binomial would be, and this is how trinomial. Okay, then after that, next concept over here is children your what is the degree? Okay, what is the degree of polynomial? Okay, what is the degree of polynomial? Okay, so degree of polynomial means the highest degree. Okay, understanding? Got it? It is the highest degree of any variable. Okay, got it? Like for example, if I say x square plus xy plus 3, if I say over here, see the highest degree. So over here this is having a power of 1, this both have power of 1. Okay, so the degree over here should be what? It should be 2. So you can say degree is the highest power also. Okay, highest power of any expression. Okay, highest power of any expression. Okay, highest power of any expression, okay, is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, understanding children? Got it? So degree is over here how much? 2. In this what they say expression, the degree is 2 because degree of 2 is the highest power over here. Okay, understanding? So degree of polynomial means the highest power of any expression. Okay, very simple, not that hard. Okay, now children, the next topic or next discussion would be how to add or subtract any expression. Okay, so adding and you can say adding and subtracting. Okay, adding and subtracting expressions. Okay, adding and subtracting expressions. Okay, how would you do this? Okay, adding and subtracting an expression, how would you do it? Okay, now for that children, see, I want to teach you one concept. Okay, you can say only like terms. Okay, only like terms will add and subtract. Okay, understanding? That means same terms. Okay, same terms only is going to subtract. Okay, or you can say like terms are going to subtract. Like for example, see, 2x square plus 3x square will happen. Okay, 2xy plus minus 7xy, this will get solved. Okay, but 2x square y plus 7xy square will never get solved. Why? Because they are unlike terms. Okay, that means we can say only like terms can get added. See, x square is like term, xy is like term, so they will get solved. Okay, so the solution, see, what you have to think over here is children, you have to imagine each term as apple or any commodity. Okay, so this will be what? 2 apple plus 3 apple would be 5 apple, like this. Okay, then this, see, as because this number is having two signs, first we have to make it 1 first. Okay, so as you see over here, plus minus will become minus. So when you solve this, so this is plus minus minus, that means 7 apple minus 2 apple would be 5 apple, and 7 is bigger than 2, so you have to put minus over here, and this will not get solved only because they are two different terms, or you can say unlike terms. Okay, only like terms will get added or subtracted. You have to think like that. Okay, understanding children? So now let us jump into the exercise and start solving questions from there. I will not solve all questions for you, I will just give you some exemplar. Okay, got it children? So from that you have to understand and do the other questions. Okay, got it? And one more thing, whatever we are doing right now, you have to do it in your classwork. Okay, and homework I'm not going to separately upload in the assignment section. I will say you what will be the homework in this video itself only. Okay, and you have to mark it in your book and do it in your homework copies. Okay, and one more thing, while I'm solving the answers of the questions, I'm not going to write the question. You have to write questions as well. Okay, children. So now see here, I'm solving question number 8 for you. Okay, so 8A I'm solving for you. So in here they're saying whether the questions which is in section A, B, C in question number 8 are monomial, binomial or trinomial. Obviously this is having two expressions, children, isn't it? Two terms are there, so this will be binomial. Okay, and question number 8B, if you see, there are three terms, so it will be trinomial, and question number C is having only one term, so that's why you will say it is monomial. Okay, understanding, children? So in question number 9, in here they're saying what is the degree of 5.6. okay, so 5.6 degree. Okay, so see, this is just a normal number. Okay, so every time whenever there's a normal number which is not having any power, so we have to imagine the power over there is 1 only, so you have to say degree is how much, then it is 1. Okay, that means any number, it can be decimal number or it can be normal whole number, or you can say natural number, okay, or any integer. Okay, if it is not having any power, means the power is 1. So over here there is no other variables or terms, so that's why we will say that the degree is 1 over here. Okay, alright, children. Now question number 10 you don't have to do. Question number 10 you don't have to do, please cancel it. Okay, you don't have to do question number 10. We will do directly question number 11 now. Okay, question number 11's so part C I am doing for you. Okay, you have to add the variables or terms over there, they are saying. Okay, so they are saying to add 12x square minus 3x plus 4 with your minus 12x square plus your 4x minus 4. Okay, so see here, and over here means plus sign, so you just replace it with plus sign because they are saying us to add. So let us add, come on, children. Okay, now see here, what we need to do is, children, over here this bracket will get removed, and see what will happen is, if you can see, this will remain as it is only, and this plus would change nothing in this thing, and what would happen is this plus minus would become minus 12x square, this would remain plus 4x only, and this would remain minus 4 only. Okay, now after that what you need to do is you have to bring common things together, this and this. See, I'm writing 12x square minus 12x square, then I'm writing this and this common things together without changing the sign, only I am bringing them together, you don't have to change the sign. Okay, so I'm bringing 4 and minus 4 together. Okay, so then after that what we will do is, see, I will see whether they are cancelling or not. So this is 12 apple minus 12 apple, so they getting cancelled, so you don't have to write anything over here. Okay, then this is plus minus minus, means you have to subtract, so 4 apple minus 3 apple will be 1 apple. Okay, so since 4 is bigger than 3, so you have to not write any sign in before it. So same way, if you see, look here, 4 minus 4 is going to get cancelled, so nothing is left, so our answer is 1x over there. Okay, got it, children? So you have to get an idea from this 11C, and you have to do question number 11A, B and D as your homework. Okay, understanding, children? And from that previous question, question number 8, you have to do question number B and C as your homework. Okay, 9 I have already done, 10 you don't have to do. Okay, now I am discussing with you question number 12. Okay, I am discussing with you question number 12. See, in question number 12, children, what you need to do is you need to subtract. Okay, you need to subtract. So if you look carefully over there, children, if you subtract, what is happening? See, I'm solving question number C for you. Okay, 12C for you. Okay, they are saying to subtract 6mn plus 5n square minus 12m from. Okay, so you have to understand the grammar over here, children. They are saying from. Okay, from means you have to subtract the previous thing from here. Okay, understanding? So you have to understand the grammar over here. Okay, that means you have to write this first, then you have to subtract it from this. Okay, got it? So you have to write 3n square plus 3m minus 15m n, and you have to put minus, and you have to put this sign, these things. Okay, got it? These things you have to write as it is over there, because they are saying to subtract this from this. Okay, you have to understand the grammar. That means you have to write this over here. Okay, now see here, there is plus sign before this bracket, so nothing will happen to this bracket. Okay, the things inside the bracket, but because of this minus sign, every sign inside the bracket would change over here. Okay, this plus will become minus. Okay, and minus would become plus. Okay, children, then after that you have to bring common things together. See, this and this is common, so bring them together. Okay, then this end, this is common, so bring them together over here. Then after that, this and this is common, so keep it there. Okay, got it? Now you are supposed to solve. So plus minus minus you have to do. So 5 apple minus 3 apple is going to be 2 apple, and since 5 is bigger, so you have to keep minus. Similarly, 9 plus plus you have to do. So 9 plus 2 apple is going to be 11 apple, and the sign will be plus only because 9 is bigger than 2. So minus minus plus you have to do. So 15 apple plus 6 apple is going to be your 21 apple, but since 15 is bigger than 6, so you have to keep minus. So this is the answer. So you have to get an idea from here and do rest of the questions. Okay children, so 12A, B and D is your homework. Okay, you don't have to do question number 13. Okay children, and from question number 15 you have to do question number B and C. Okay, and question number 14 you don't have to do, question number 16 you don't have to do, and question number 17 also you don't have to do. Okay, and from the other page also question number 18 you don't have to do. Okay, so that means you just have to do 15 B C, okay, 12 A B D, 11 A B D, and question number 8 B and C. Question number 10, okay, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 18 you don't have to do. Okay children, so what you do is children, watch this video once again. If you have any doubt, okay, you can rewind and watch. Okay, got it children? And please do your classwork and homework separately. Okay, and follow the instructions which I have already said here. Okay children.